was raised by the Liberation Forces of the U.S. Army on October 20, 1944, after the fall of Bataan. Battle sites in the valley can also be found here. You can get a panoramic view of Lake Gold and surrounding coastal towns. A landscape garden with tropical flowers and shrubs, benches and picnic tables with canopies, restroom and open-air stage where memorial programs are held. This is a large helmet-shaped monument of the 96th Infantry Division and the other American units at the top of this hill. So when you go there, na may makita ditong kana ang helmet of the 96th Infantry Division. So those who would like to go there, you can go. Ako ba pwede na po nga rin. Again, welcome to the Hill 120.
Kuha sama si kulit, tingin musaka, tingin musaka.
Huwag mong bagsok, nauna pa. Paano kayo nagkatagat? Makitan kami.
Ah, kitan juga.
Ano? Try banda.
Sana na to ka para may ibanan ka.
Di ko ida ko gasto patambok. Hindi tatanawan din.
Tapos taas kita mendagat.
Ano ba?
Oo.
Kayo ka.
Di ba sakya to yan? Naka na naik plug. Mana eh? Harga dua lang. Harga dua lang niya ako.
Lang pa, kay. Kailan ito? Dawa man ang mga bata di kapon mo kita.
Oh, di na ka pa mga bata. Hangak eh.
Ay, minta bilin.
Pas taas kay.
Bilin.
Pas obos. Deh, ale. Berhan takaan. Iyai.